Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to turn on Facebook notifications for tags from friends on your PC using the latest update. This step-by-step guide will ensure you never miss a tag notification from your friends again. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner of the notifications drop-down menu. Click on these dots to access additional options. From here, select Notification Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tags. Click on Tags to open its specific settings. Now, under the Tag settings, you'll see an option to choose who can notify you when they tag you. Select Friends to ensure that only tags from your friends trigger notifications. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for tags from friends on Facebook. Now, whenever a friend tags you in a post, photo, or comment, you'll receive an instant notification, so you can stay connected and updated. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance with their Facebook settings. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.